actually added up to the amount I asked.
Come on.
Thank you.
You deserve most. Okay. You deserve most. Even right now, when you ask me to send another money, I'm gonna do that for you. Of course. So why did you hit me?
You're lying.
No, like seriously? Why did you hit me?
I didn't hit you.
You didn't hit me?
No.
So
when you told me to take you to shopping, you didn't send me.
So is that the reason why you frowned your face? Hey! Don't worry, I'll be taking you there, okay? I'll be taking you there. But you get a lot of clothes. Like, what do you need again?
I'm your nurses, so I have to look more nice.
Don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll take you there. Anything you want, just send me an
Hey, I'm get my wawa here. I'm blessed. That's me. Yeah, masse. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, Messe. Masse. Yeah.
Mommy, Papa.
Oh, me baby.
For me,
Pakonya bra. Masse na ho ye de. Yeah, me see me who and many a just say. Near why ye? Trade ampo na beda wase ama me.
Oh, your bag.
Mama fa. Broboga.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, me baby. Awale na no ya no ya so say. Aso wa ya de. Na ho ye. Hey. Asa me ho aye fe pa. O mama. Hey, share my life. What's an hour here, dear?
Let me do more. So now, so
oh, let me have do.
Maybe I'll free back all day.
Oh, let me have do.
Yes. I saw. Where the Obaya Haboko, a quaso.
Oh, quasi dear Boko, Massy. Baby, I'm friends of Boko, ne, Nedia Muhu me ha, and Srem. Yes, I'm saying some more and I mean Timon for her. Me heard your name as the other day. Echo. Tineda me by a and slam qua Tina Menam. Only be any.
So, Obaya so a haboko. Over 2 years, I won't send you a dune come. I don't know a sausage chine. Hey, I did pie. Medon pie. Oh, don't a pie. And a man, what's it in also? That's a banana noir, in fact, or a very, very good.
I'm a banana.
Or a very good cook. Oh, Tino. But that's a bit brain. Or back come away out and a mammy. Now, Miss me make sure say, Meshano so. Now, I'll come up at all. And the only how cry, man.
Massy. Mate, e wo kan nyina mate me da ase. Once a wale de titiri wadepa. Wale de ne kwa wa. Ti mesraw. Ebuo ne ani dia na na metie no. Ene wukuru ntina saa. Enhwe obi de na mfa nwale wo de. Ensa tia wo enye pe. Ti mesraw. Se wukuru ni mu a enye yie. Saa so na so yiri ni mu a enye yie. Ebuo ne ani de mu mfa ntina saa. Kakra aja mesumbo kan no. Mate, sraw. Na so adepa mu mame. Adepa ho aye fe. Ai awale afata o. Yo.
Mate mame. Meso ni mu ya ma.
Mate.
Meso ni mu ya ma.
That's pa. That's pa wasama waka. That's pa. Why?
Mama, the same coincide na me pick no.
Yeah. Hey, master.
Say o de ne coincide. I want say me kwakoye bi wo. Ti aso say wo kwana say in case where ho me.
Oh, aso. So
there.
Oh, aso manu wo.
Oh, there mesro je.
Oh, aso. Yeah, why you so serious?
And you share, so I was saying, me more than
that. Yeah, so.
Oh, I saw J. Right.
Ask my EBC.
I J. I saw J.
That's it. So, that's why.
We are back. I know my boko there.
Bibia Kosuboko.
Na wifey or one.
Wifey. Okay, be sorry they been check it. It be so I'm with P on this one the one and auntie.
Sir. I know about if you know P on crowd here.
Unia, Cramino Komu.
Sir.
Yeah.
When I yes maba.
Charlie about wifey Yari Ao.
Ada Saba.
Just say crowd here too much. Too much. O didia na ba. O jaria na ba. Onini pia na ba. O ko jari mpo no na ba. Just say e ka me bonye kaketwa. Unze moment no obehwe ho no. Otimi pra. Ano na de se me de no ko hospital ma ko tua.
Wa so odi. Me catch you. Say twa.
Esi ama.
Jai.
Ah, sa usuma we na me penu.
Ma me ka de yan kire.
De na wo ka kire me.
Da bi me yonko no. E wo se we ko bebi a me ka kire wo. Me kan na wutie ya nka we nyina ama.
Twaso anya no ho asem ja. Me wa ba me ka asem a choro so se say me sin ti say nneoma e koso no ja me ntimi ntina ho.
Onia we nya yibia me ntimi no wotwe. Me nua no aye nua wi. Oh, meboa. No oba bi wo. Oba ama bibia yare no be ko. Alright.
Oh. Na o me nu nsan me nu nante o enfa na ni.
Masa. Nim de baby a me nim de ye ni nyina na obehu.
Ene we ni pa boni ni o.
Da bi me nya ni pa boni ni.
Da bi wetimi akume.
Da bi me ntimi nkum. Me kum sei. Me nkum.
Ti say ye be den.
Wo de ti ase na me mwa yenko ma me no konfo no ho. Wo ye konfo yenko ho. Ye ko ha be bua yare ni nyina be ko. No ana wo wie.
Me sa ni o ma.
Me am timi se oba no kora wo wu ama no.
O oba na de me do no. Me do no ba me sa ni o ma na de unia. Me mani nji hu.
Chale for wa bi ni ke se gan wa ware wie. Wa to no do. Ti be bi o ha wo se wo de ye no ho to no. We su.
Me jimi kura. Ba won se sa me ma we na me hu ni say bibidro. Bibidro na betimi akio sa ayi.
Me che wade. Sunsu mu no ma wo. What ya say? Eni ye wo bibidro de esa. Ade nyina nya de nyina na bibidro no akotete ahaban. Wo fiti ya na masa dog kura ne yenko ho no na me moa wo.
Ti. Okay, fine. Ma worry. What ya say? Nti se oba ne ba. Me no oba ne be kasa. Nti no oba ne ti ase a na ye nyina yeko.
Kimi se ya na me penu. Oba hene ba, me ma ka se ma che wo so oba ne ba.
Na se wodi matemi.
Me ni watam sei.
Da bi wonim se ma worry. Me ntimi fa me penje bibiu. Eji se me bo oba na mane. Wo so wonim se oba ne mum na yare. Na ma me ne na nkasa na wante ase ama ye ya nkwa, ye nyina ya nkwa. Ye bezire akọ.
Wante ase sei. Wo koye ni secret.
David. O see no oba ne mum na eko. What you say? Into oba ne ba, me me bona.
Okay, mate. Wo de ye. Ba me sira wo ka kan yanse.
Sese.
Wo te dia me kan. Me se wo kan me ba me se me kukuru na ko.
Ne so na aka.
What brought you to my shrine?
Nana, the patch down for the young queen.
Hey, stop! I am the great Abulawan. Before you are coming here, I know what brought you to my shrine. Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwa. Eke Lelonu. You may leave. Hey, come back here. Sit down. You may leave. Sit down. Young man, you're highly welcome. You are here to seek for a solution to your wife problem.
No. Yes. I'm here sake of my wife. Nana, she's really suffering. She's suffering a lot, and I'm here so that you can do something to cure her sickness.
Yes, I can see. Hey, you shall get what you want. Anamano, they have had you. This place is the last place that you will go. But it's a love on one condition.
Condition?
Yes.
Nana, I'm ever ready to offer anything. Nana, when it's money, when it comes to money, I have a lot of money. I'm ready to give you anything.
Keep quiet. This is not a matter of money. Money is not everything. Are you sure you are ready to do it?
Oh, Nana, I'm ever ready. I'm ever ready. Anything I'm ready to offer.
You are going to use your manhood sacrifice for her. Hey.
Nana. Nana. How can I sacrifice my manhood? Nana, you know it can never be possible. Please, I beg you, if there is anything else, please say it, and I'm ever ready to do it. But please, my manhood.
That is the only solution. There is nothing I can do. I'm giving you 3 market days to return to the shrine of Abulawan, the great Abulawan. You may leave. Leave. Eke, Ori, Abo, Nkwa, Ekelelanu.
Assemble great. Say cry many day. Makudi esi amechi. Amasesi atumeni achinji. Say konfu isi mbrani emechi hu. Omaye 3 days. Say minim say 3 days no so na yankwa. Minim say ye bebodamu, say ye modamu, minim. Chumesi. Tio how cry na me fa mami hu. Say shoba na yari. Kwa na ekosro. Utidia no twa. Okudware a no twa. Wanene nama no etwa wonene nti nkobompo na watwa O chance so e ho ka bebre. E ho ka bebre. Si ato me ni adwendwen. Tisi. Die konfo e kan yi. Me fa me be ma ne nkonji. Ana me njai. Debi. Ade ne die e wo se me yema. E wo se me kokonfo no. Na me de me be ma ne koji. It's about what the priest told us. You know, sir, on my 3 days, I say me for 3 days, I'm in fine jail. Babe, you know how much I love you. I love you very much. And I can't keep seeing you like this. Well, you're like said you see, but I'm not too much. Oh, da, na ba, oh, didia, na ba. Ye pia kwa abontin kura na me yim shishime. So be kwa trash. Like it's too much and I can't take it anymore.
I'm sorry I have to take you through all this. So now, why are you insinuating right now?
Listen. I was saying me proof or don't have me woman. The true. Dear confront a kind. Say me for me bear my magic. Now home tone. Babe. My channel. I'll do that for you. What? Yes. I have to. I have to sacrifice this for you. You mean a lot to me and I can't keep seeing you like this, like the piano will charge shit, no will charge shit, like any guasian dosu. I'll sacrifice for you, for the sake of the love. I'll sacrifice for you, okay?
Baby, you've really made me sad. You know, I don't think you really need to do this. We just got married and, you know, our society, to be expecting we bring forth children. And when you do this, how can we give birth?
I don't care. I don't care about what people think.
Babe, you told me your dad kept on giving you, like, telling you that you should get married, and now you are insisting we do this. I know he actually pressured you because of children, right? Definitely he'll be needing grandchildren, right? Oh, baby, you can't do this.
Listen, he's my father. I know how to talk to him. Don't worry about my father. I'll talk to my dad. Okay? I have to do this for the sake of the love that I have for you. You mean a lot to me, and I can't keep seeing you like this. It's getting worse, like it's too much. And I'm going to see on the doors. Okay. So I'll go with you, like me no beko comfort no. Na di bia twase hoye na hoto bia no. Me am hoto.
Honey, I'm speechless.
Don't be. I love you. It's me yes I did. Okay.
Nana, we came in peace. You remember the last time we came here and you told me to sacrifice my manhood to save my wife. We went home together and I talked to my wife. So I agreed to sacrifice my manhood to save her. So that's the reason why we came here today.
No. They are hearing you people. They are ready for the sacrifice. Kalamado kalamo. Kneel down. Put your face in this place. 3 times the sacrifice shall be made. You may stand up. Sit. It is done. It is done. The sacrifice is done.
Anna, you mean everything is fine now?
Yes, the sacrifice is done. Woman, on no account shall you betray your husband.
Great one. So, it's all done.
Yes, you shall have what you desire. You shall be healed. You may go. Go. Hey, kele kolanu. Hey.
Hey, aso kono Mese, na sie idea nya kan dia. Mase. Ajade me kan na sedana nyame hira pa woni a waye de amambai. Oma de na ye kefa no nyina enne. Me be me kwa obetimi akobi. Wa hwe no fa aye. Nyame hira wate. Be me na kasie o hata wo nto super nwu adwuma yiso. Na adwuma nya from. Nyame hira mo.
Yakasa bebre wode. Yakasa bebre wode. Yen we still time cry.
Me ya na makọ was adwuma bi kura wasa me kwara mkoye.
Ja ma.
Ade pa. Me de besi ko jam pan na be na woni na na tia. Me be me be. Me de jimi
Hey, you don't see so amazing.
Well, it's been long.
So that reminds me. Chumesi and I discussed something.
Okay.
But actually, it has been implemented. And I think I have to tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. We decided on seeing somebody concerning my sickness.
Okay.
And the person says, before I'll be well, Chumesi have to sacrifice his manhood for that.
What?
Yeah.
And he did that?
Yeah, he did it.
Oh my
And
goodness.
Chumesi actually did that for me. So as I'm talking to you right now, I am no longer a sickler.
Wow. I'm happy for you. But babes, since he sacrificed his manhood, it means he can't do anything. Oh goodness. Then my sister, you are really suffering.
But what can I do?
What can you do? Are you okay with it? What can you do?
It's not like I have any option.
Hey, my sister, you have an option. You have an option here. Oh. Right now, you are free from that sickness. It's hard time you go out there and enjoy yourself. We were waiting for this opportunity, and now that it has come, you want to let it slide? No way. I won't allow that to happen.
So what are you implying?
What am I implying? I want to say we are going out there to party, okay? You will enjoy yourself out there. What you can't do, someone else out there will do it for you. You'll get the happiness you want.
If I got you right, are you trying to tell me that I should have an affair outside my marriage?
You call this marriage? No, this is not a marriage. I mean, Chumesi wanted to play the good Samaritan role, and he has done it. You know what they call this? He was your destiny helper. He came to help you. Right now, he has helped you. He has done his part. It's now your turn to go out there and find the happiness you want.
What if he finds out?
He finds out. He won't do anything. He claims to love you, so he will be happy for you. I think so. He will.
Okay, I'll think about it.
You'll not think about anything, no. You're going with me.
Let me sleep over it, okay?
You better do. You better do, sister.
What are you doing? Stop. Stop now. Oh. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Really?
You know the situation. I did this because of you. What are you trying to do?
Really?
Oh.
What is it?
Listen.
Listen to what? He said I should sleep, right? What's the menda? So I'm sleeping.
Listen. You know my problem right now. You know what I'm facing.
So can't you even try?
Try what? How can I try? How? I can't, and you know it. Come on.
Fine, sleep. You sleep. You said I should sleep, so sleep.
I don't want you to get
sleep, please. Sleep, please, please. Kindly let me sleep, okay? Please.
Don't get angry, okay? I'm inside the room waiting for my food. You've dressed up, going out.
Listen, you are a woman like me, okay? So I don't expect you to expect me to prepare something for you. You can also go to the kitchen as well.
You telling me to go to the kitchen and cook?
Aren't you a woman like me? Can you? Can you?
I did that for you.
Oh, please.
I sacrificed for you.
Okay, so you did that for me. So you expect me to lie on the ground for you to walk on me, right?
Alright, I'll go to the kitchen and I'll get myself some food.
Okay. You did that for me. So I should sleep on the floor for you to walk on me.
Mena. Oh, what we do here? Yeah, Master Papa B. Oh, Aquaba. Yeah, Mena. Yeah. To swat my shally. Ah, you know, sure.
I say,
oh, you be a crazy shoe. Come train the you and son and get your money.
So, Diana cried, dear. Meet him, granddaddy. What do I have? Say another thing.
Hey, yo, Ediane, pay for seeing and no pay.
I say, a quite so dear. And yet, I bonepa Nina, your baby, a yardipa. Mandepa. Nancy, I saw your mouth, me femono. Emma, me what they are mean yet. So, she say it has got him to say at the moment, at the passoria or the me befie. Onye wa bontimpo na enkwese se man for many way or the member befie e ma me the many way ehu
eya madepa
aduane a wo ma me bi ni just say or disrespect me totally omume kasa me ho anyhow
so misro bemena you go to jogo phone misro asemi yaki o ma bo pisa misro ni obaye ni nyina wa hunu
so wa wani tuade ma yama
minnim papa
sacrifice ma yama obabe
misra wate
odo ame woman nti ma sacrifice ade ama obaba se ko se me dono
misra obemena
woni nkasa
misra ni obaye dia papa manim guase so okura yi mu yi enam wono ntimi na mane etre yansa wo me so ni nyina wo dia papa nim guase na dia wade ye wuni misra
woni nkasa pa
misra
woni nkasa na just oh tete me
misra wate
oh tete me
mi ngoto jogu fom misra wae bemena obidum bie ni mobo o maame o melim guase so akata misra ebuo ni eri dia wanya dia mamia bebe bia nko o de misra
so de misra wo de woni nyane kasa yes a wo be bada ko be fie ho no de be si wo fie ho
misra wate
misra so de misra
so na wo de
My name is Francis. Please, can I know your name?
Amadepa.
Chai, what a sweet name. What a nice name. See, I go straight to the point. I'm in love with you. I just saw you when you were passing. I just fell in love with you.
Wow.
I like you. I want us to be friends.
Really?
Please, can I have your number so that we can talk? I will explain myself to you so that you know me better. Please.
Can I have your phone?
Yeah.
Amadepa.
I will save it. I will call you. Chai. So where are you going now?
I'm heading towards down there.
So So can I follow you? Because I'm not doing anything. I'm just standing here. Can I follow you? I would like to be a soldier.
Okay.
After you.
All right.
Gentle boy, your best producer.
Mommy. Let's say.
I'm here to. That's it.
Who you?
Who away?
Mommy. And the boss, I'm not for baby cry. What's it been done? Me, be angry.
Akwaba, Lady Kai. Who could not have? Abba, you complain. A dear neck was so few. Ah? Bear Nabaha. Send him out, you know, fear on. Nini nyum. Adepa. A dear some neck was so few. And went to fro.
Mommy.
Meet you.
Men are me yell back, and I too miss me.
What now I am back? Now we had the anya, I was some months at the away and yet.
And then to mammy, too miss ya the cast a match the wa, or buy me frab one thing back. Me bet nothing come on, mammy moon's wompo. What do you prefer, Neshiame?
At the pan, cast us now to our catcher. Ah? I did some catcher, Miss Anno. Woman be by my aircraft when you hear him say, yeah, Tina Casas on the chimney. Seven Maunusu. Ah? Bema getting your wardrobe, your mouth to one among the answers say, I mean, any Guasian in Aswa Kata. When I would bet Yanaka. Now make class a mount on Musu. A sobe. A sobe, not as a mount, Chirame. Maybe you're to one more say. I dare you waiting up, Cromie and him Guasia. Him Guasia, that was war. One a man here to answer. And so then your mere drum, nature messia da woman. Wama send Guasia in Aswa Papa. A dear never was with you. Ah, I was here, Jana Crow, won't be many. No, him Sababo Cra come yet, I said, what about Tini Wukunu? No Crutini Christo. I don't know one brown once or Dre Beme Yadan a diachero. I can't Brasia de Bemano. I die. Said I'm a tete war.
Mammy. Me brew. Me bread.
Come in tea.
Mammy, and I said, me no marry name say, Chumis, what down what.
Ha, Adepa. I said, boy, yet me for one appear. Adepa day. Enti dia be me ya nyina wani anso.
Mammy, you no kwan na papa mo ba.
Aduane kra wo nu abebi ma be me ibi ni. Kanu aduane ma be me yi ni. Na nka won fa nwojo no na nka won fa ntena wora ho so. Aduane a wo nu ama no. Ene na wo kwa ha. Na be ma we be fa wo na we be fa wo sanam che se wo. Mate, se matufu na so mpena. Sorry boy.
Men ka se mintiu. Yo kan mate.
Yo. Mate. Mate why? Ekwa de boni. Mate. Ekwa no wani.
Mame mate.
Oh.
Gentle boy, your best producer.
Knock. I don't know why I forget this girl number. Knock.
Hey.
Bros.
Why? Do you want to break my door?
Sorry, my brother, come. Good afternoon. My name is Francis. I'm here to see Adepa.
You're here to see Adepa?
Yeah.
Why?
She's my friend. We have been talking. I need to see her.
She's your friend?
Yes, my brother.
You are a man and she's a woman, so how can she be your friend?
A man and the woman can do friend now. Why are you stopping me?
My friend, talk. I said, what's going on between you and Adepa? Why are you looking for her?
Oh, my brother, are you the husband?
Exactly.
Hey, my brother, I'm trying to help you. Let me help your ministry. I know your thing is not working again. Let me help you, my brother.
You the talk plus me?
No, now two of us there here now. Now you are the top. You are a poor man like me. I'm
wait. Adepa told you that I can't perform. I can't do anything, right?
My brother, your thing done spoil now. Your thing done down. You know they work again.
Oh, so Adepa told you everything.
I tell you, saying I'm my girlfriend. I'm my woman.
Ah. Oh, so you are dating Adepa?
Yes.
And you know she's married.
She have already told me everything.
And also catch us our Jimmy with one who has same young country.
My brother, stop this thing. No, let's not talk about this thing so that neighbors will not hear. Let me help your ministry. Let me help you since you can't do that.
Hey, save your breath. See, let me tell you. Adepa is a married woman. Okay? She's my wife. She's my wedded wife. Don't ever step here again. Do you hear me?
My brother, do you perform what husband and wife do in the night? That's why I'm coming. I need to help you on that one.
I said, don't ever come here again. Do you hear me? Now get out.
Am I the one you're
I said get out.
I'll get out. That one I'll go. But I need to see her.
Hey, I said get out. Get out!
My dear, why are you doing like
Bro, get out. Friend, get out. Ah, are you mad? Get out! Don't ever step here again. Do you hear me?
I'll come back.
Hey, now what about the man? Just when you're the F1 tree, like when you're the guy to come into my house to tell me that boy me. Stupid man. Hey, Adepa. What's me ako catch them akwa we say me just me hu ni ho. Just me hu ni ho. Really? You are spreading me. Me more. What's that me now? Me masemunti. I swear the power come and meet you here. Me that say me told me for a while.
No problem.
You may be a coswa, in fact, and your cry. Neoma the party may firm. As a winning, as a semi catcher. Like too much. Obama Tiska water on I'm do a bet in a fee. What's the son? Just what's the son of Subayama? Me dream one mentiasi. A brianu.
Really?
Okwaka na danin tokwa. Okwaka when I talk sem no tia me no shout at me. Or Timika James and me kwa kitchen. Na me kwa no me meduani ni. Na bema no e ben, oba so no e ben. And no crowd de can shut down hamisa because aduane de say bema de me metima ko no aduane de. But at the pa me matiska ware oba ware fo timi kwafa mema. Do mo befie me fie o. De meme ba ne oko ne oba ne oko ne oba. Can you imagine? You know, didn't you me fro ba anyina na tintin titi anyina na say Miss Row, you being a good friend, minim so nko ani nipa oni ade pakasa obeti you. Miss Row, oni ade pakasa mame. Na nia oyen onjai because o tete me. Ade pe ha me. Mituwa mitimi dwen na misu. Me pa chowati. Unu adam for nkasa mamwati. Miss Row.
You see? No man okay are new to me. The reason why I'm staring at you no. Are you new to me to the extent say that the part I know, I don't think so with my and your may okay in a movie. Cause at the part is a lady who has a golden heart. At the part woman a crown no way. At the part to me yes sir.
Minim say wadam for no. Inti no ade bi e bebe bia no. Obeka bia man, ana obi china na chi. But me na metimi ja ho. Ana minim say this hihye me fa.
Wow.
Unni hobi, but me na me ho. Ti na ma me fro. Say nka me mfro. But my fro said be ya no wadam for no be kasa ama me. Nioma e koso wa ha say no. Oba pa eni nyan.
But
like,
are you sure say unya ndi boni bia?
Me nya de pa hwe.
Are you really sure?
I'm very sure. Me ni na tem me tin no me do pe bia me de ma no.
Cause why bibi boni bia? Let me know so that I'll know how to talk to her. Yes. Because she can't just wake up and start bringing men into your matrimonial home. No.
Listen, and paying for a call must be say, do chasan when him send a chia. Saving Pobani being put a maya at the power me. I don't know, frame and I won't country me.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. So that the two of us, you go to her, then talk to her. Maybe she will accept and forgive you.
But you being her friend, I think, say, one in a casa, could be a bit me, I can be a show.
Okay. Anything I mean, because you be sound. Because me, say, me go go do him, nam do go to him, no, I can say, ni say now, we. It's not me go be sound. Why any bonny be a no one catch me. Now they may do any me a copana chow, no, their chow. Why any bonny be a car?
Me, yeah, she.
Okay. So when you're bonny there, I'll go to her, I'll talk to her, and I know she will understand.
Gentle boy, your best producer.
Hey. Stand there. Where are you going? Huh?
Brother, you again, today. I came to see.
Hey! I've warned you not to come here again. So what do you want here? Are you mad?
Oh, now calm down now.
Me calm down.
Why are you shouting? You have shouted.
Come and see this man. What is wrong with you?
Baby.
See my angel.
My heavy.
Look at my thing. See my gold.
The only man that makes me say,
I can kill somebody because of you.
Now where Jimmy Anna?
Touch me without your hand.
Adepa. So you don't have respect? Huh? You don't have respect? So you don't respect me? You are standing in front of me kissing another man.
Chumesi, if you can't stand the heat in the kitchen, then you better leave.
You do hear her? You can't handle this thing. Let me handle this thing.
Is that what you're telling me?
Babe, let's go.
Adepa!
Look at. You want this thing to rest?
Baby!
I'm coming, my dear.
Adepa! Wow. Beautiful. Mireya is sexy. Hey!
Tumasi. Nade. Nade me wusu. Bien na how?
Kunia. Bida asema siyo. Asema. Obeka day na yako conform.
Yeah, conform.
Good. Once you drew on conform ka say excuse you.
Yeah.
Conform come na no so before say me yere ho beto no. I just me de me bema agi. Ansa na me yere ho ato.
This how the bema agi. E na o ye de.
Kunia. Me ne me yere ba fie ani e bedwen ho. E bedwen ho no. Ekosi say e wo say meko na me de bema ne kwaje.
E jimi se mo no. Then go for the car when me medwene ho ansa. O so be ka kire me ansa na me ma wadwene. Ya o de be ma kwaje. Enu ti na wo ti ni so a.
Nua. Amane no ha wo ba ne de me fam ofia ha no. Beje de se aduane kro ma me bindi.
Won sa ma waduane ni.
O ma aduane ni metimi atena ha. No de me ma. O koba. Okoka na atendedie ni boafu no ye yame. Chese oha ne amane a me fam wo ha no. Ese woni ese me ka kiro.
Nia. So why mistake me be. O say kan ni kwa say wo de kwaje. Sorry no wo say tete wo kan wa brabo ho. Unia. Ni nua no. mebo be ya konfo no no me sa mo akọ no why eneni kiran ya sa konfo no ndane ade em
ti me konfo no na me kwa ogidi so obetimi ayi bibia ma na kama
o fa so yewe no be ye ne sa the same thing amount
Matunia Mate meko
What brought you to my shrine?
Nana, you already know the reason why I'm here. That is not a matter of me talking long. I've regretted the day I came here to sacrifice my manhood to save my wife. I mean my wicked wife. Nana, I'm here to give me back my manhood so that you return the sickness back to my wife. That's the reason why I'm here.
Hey, you cannot eat your cake and still have it.
Nana, what are you talking about? No, what are you talking about? She, Nana, me bank what I say, me bank what I say. Me say I came here, give me back my manhood. I need back my manhood. I don't care about my wife. I don't care. Send the yari and the sabebo. I don't care. Just give me back my manhood and return the sickness back to my wife. That's the reason why I'm here. Hey.
Go home. Go home.
I should go home. Nana, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere today or tomorrow. I said give me back my manhood. That is why I'm here.
Go home before the great apple and wine strike you to death.
Gentle boy, your best producer.
Papa, me throat, John, team and Massamay.
Oh, I be a man who take a me who take a bit. And now person means you and Massam. What bread by a visit you when Massam won't ye? I feel of me on a day,
Papa. Me buy off ye, me buy a soon ho. And it's a met two my bones are my friends or who fee me.
Oh, who have me idea, bay? Who have me idea, bay? Visit them all while you could tell what yes, ye. What about Fieda? What about Fiona? What about the wager? No way, and I'm on yet. I see, I'm not yet.
Papa, Miss Rowe, Bonibia Mayopia Fatchemi. Oba enemy, Oba Kaya enemy. What's mean too soon who coffin her buying ship? Miss Rowate, whom we more born of my bonnet chemi. Now my phone, now saying committee on no mass and Papa. Miss Rowate, whom we more born of chemi.
Yeah, you must see. Maybe may catch the war. May catch your name what on what's there. Mimi to wait. Me say no wo. I go people say. Asem me buy e be catch your say. Hwe, na twe ho firi ho. Wan tie ma asem. Me yiri say wale na wale ye no. Wani agi wase. Wani agi wase de ya. Tina ho, na mo so bitam ba bi.
Papa eni je ben.
Na wani nyi aga wote ho. Obi pumachi eni ye begina. Aye di komo. Masa, me pesa de masa me go bia me komo.
Papa. Ti. Papa. You say aware meti ho no papa. Che say oha oni amane abaya ne de me fam ofie ho no. Ese wani ese me ka kire wo.
Hey. Awale no wali nye.
Papa, mani nji o.
Ani say.
Papa. Me hu no foforo de na mani ji. Na so papa, obai wonim so yarefo. Obai yare che say na yare na no den. Ti me imagine say obi kire bosum se ho ahwan bi o konfo bi ana me ne nyina akọ na ekoduro no konfo ne se sa aban no beto na agise me de me bema na age
edu uru we ma na kwakwaje
se me bema o
edi etwa bema no
papa etwa me bema se asa enye se ye etwa me bema no asa ahoden na ewo mu no ahoden no
enje sise okwa
itese no hojo
Jubasi. Adi ajibi samno non. Ha? Wo bia ni na me ka chi osi kwana ko wale. Na jabusie yi. Wo betima wo.
ne yase ya dole se ne yase nhie kopim se wo mie me no mie pe na aka obuhwem na watimi adi wodo achi adi agibisem wo achi akokodi wo ba achi de wo ba makokoy wo fori
papa ma no ma uso obi mpom achi ne ta
se obi ati anya hwe wo ba ma na wo wie etije bi na menye adwuma sei me de me ka kire wo menye dusini ana menye konfo azi abaka kire me se wo ba ma me yoden me de zini masa yale je betima ka kire wa ne se ko baby a okoko ya de kode no ko la ka kire pa so ansa nane no na enye kama ma mini wi ye bi
papa
ye
papa de na wo ye
na me nyodi
papa me se wo de ma ye bia fa che me no mu me mobo na boa me papa
me dia chawo
so ma me wo kire me
dia chawo me nyodi bi o
misiro papa
esi a me nyodi
e bia na nim du si ni bia na wonim obi obetimi aboa me ama se me papa me nim bogu ase
tuma sie tu fuantie e do wonti kopo tu fuantie o e no ngomati kopo asem we ba ye no na ka unim sese le besia kanya se woti wo kase me hu yanka no wate nya se woti wo kase me hu yanka no be tuma si me ka kire wo me ni uni asem wadi wudo achi awse mi ba na me kan ne me magimi amane do ene wa jimi ana ajimu no wate
oh na papa de na wo yi me say fa me bone che me de man obi afa che me na papa boa me is one mo me is one na me nko no me no obi a me nko no we so e fere me sira wate
me say ko ba bi ani pa na kire wo no ko ni wo no ga kire say ade no wa twa san enti wanya ne bufro ma ho na ja me hawo
papa
ye
enti de o ka kire me ano
na me ka say me ka say
papa kabibi oh
me ka dia be ani ma kire ho no ko ni wo na wo ka kire ni say won san sa o yale na ho to wo na me nye di sini wate
papa
ye
na joko
na ga me ko me nyira ho me nye de be ko no ba ni wo ku sa
papa me oku me sama be ha o
mani wo sama be ha wai
me sama be ha o
hwe I can mess up poison wate the morning wo what
Jesus! Everybody, I'm not telling you. Ade, don't you walk on phone? Let's be coffee. Listen. What do you want? If you come, I was saying that. We are doing bonnet sound. Ah, Chumasi. Oya ko ponchi se mu no. Unya nduru baby a. Utuwe wo ya odefo pa. Na Awurade so ahira wo. Ntime masa mistake bi a waye enka wabla bonye dai enhye. Awurade asiesie wo se ubeye ni pakese wa asase so. Na hwehwe de waye kulampo. Enka chi wa blabo mwate. Hwede tu Job. Amane ani wo hawa Job fam no. Enya bi ni wo die kitikiti we ya anka akɔhye ho akomfo awu no. Mesrew. Na ipata so de be na akɔ.
Me. Omo de me nkwa asɔre o. Sɔre kura de o de besi me fie anim kura ha me hura fasile no so asio. Sɔre de me mpɛ.
O de enka chi ma. Because of say Awurade fa de asɛe na pro no ye ni ye. Ntu de ka akoma to ye mwate. De asɛe bia no ewa ablabom no ebe ye wate. Ebi say ye Job de ye mfa to ho ye timi de atoto ye de ho. Mesrew. Me nko hu wate. Awurade be ye wo ye wate.
Ba so mate.
Ipa chew. O de meka chew an say. Na mama na ye ntientia ofia me say na as the sad that no me bomb pa ya ma na me wa kwankyere a wo beye se de beye ani ma beye yi e wa ablabo mu ate nti wo de ka akoma to yem me ni hu bone wonya nuru kura se wu kura alwade ahyira wo nti mesrew pa tumasi mesrew
Radie mare vi mi o mi nyankopon na me hwewa o enyi wani tawa koa mumi mabona me hu kyere me je adie nyanchi o mi nyamie mami ni mi o anyum de me de minim to e ma watamfu nyame sere me wai ma ware mo me jujanje me de nyina Radie vi mi nyankopon we me hwewa o enyi wani tawa koa mumi mabona me hu kyere me eje adie nyanji o mi amie amiri o e mama tafu nyame sere me wai mama ni we jujanje me de nyina oh Ready? Hey! Apejo! Hey! Yeah! Ready? Sofo ne number na we he fa ha manye. Meje. Enie. Yeah! Atamfuan. Hello, Sofo. Oh, chumesi. Ai. Oh, chumesi boy ya na no ne ba fie oko sen hu ya wo de ne ba fie. Ai. Sofo. Esenchirani esi o. Yeah!
I'm going to show you fire to fire. That thing your husband is not doing. I'm going to do. Who is here? Mama, bra. You have fruit juice. Yeah. You have
fruit and
you want it? Yes. You have it. What about I see something like milk. Give me a three. Because I like that milk. Milk is strong. Agile. You understand?
Of course.
Today, fire for fire. This night.
Put
it in rubber now. Don't worry. Today, hey, this night. Your husband, that thing waiting to happen.
Oga, you na go shwe.
Hi.
Oga.
Waiting to happen. Epilepsy. Hey! Let this man conquer his wife. Oh. No, I can't take this. I'm too young for this. Oh, Jesus. Huh? No. Let's go. You're going to your husband's place, please. Let's go. Huh? Madam, hold your milk, hold your drink, your bread. Can't spend money on this. Ah. Have to go. Let's go. Huh?
Stand there.
Okay. No verse.
Okay.
This is your wife. I think I'm bringing it back to you. I don't need any problem. I don't want your ministry again. I want to stay on my own. You say for better, for worse. This is for worse now. Handle your ministry. Madam, follow your... Hey, go back. Oga, you see today, the other time you be pushing me do anyhow. Today, if you need to fight, I'll fight you. Take your wife, I'm going. Handsome boy like me, I'm going to be...
Hey, you are talking too much.
I'm talking too much.
Stand there. Now, let me give it to you. You are crazy. Huh? You say, in fact, you are mad.
Me?
Huh? You are mad. You bring her.
Now your wife now.
It be my wife. She not be my wife. The last time you came here, you told me, oh, you want to help my ministry. Oh, I want to help you. Go and continue your ministry.
Okay, the ministry is not working again. And the marriage is for better, for worse. This for worse now. You have to take your wife. This is your wife.
You are really mad. Hey, stand there. Take her with you. Go.
Take with it.
Go. Hey.
Okay, the ministry is not working again.
Go. Go.
Go back. Go back. Follow your husband.
Get out. You are coming back.
Go back.
To my house. You want me?
Go come back.
Go. Stupid girl. You are coming back to my house. Yeah. Ha! We are about to send me a Sabia here. Now, stupid girl.
Ghana for Muhammad this year, Onana, Director 1, the youngest director in Ghana. A human echo son. So that says, so person when it joke so chessini. Is she a senior? Ah, mentally feeling the essay on that. A costumia, Mahonia. So that says, Piano money to go screen as no. Frey, near so. Near one it here, Onana was ordered so, it go over you them. Sinino. Say be one you be here with TV so ko YouTube the hands of so Dav Empire Momodi hands of subscribe one like no share obenya sinini bi nyina hwe what I say ready action no you're facing the camera so push it like this okay let's go action